This is Yuchai YC6C series diesel generator. Rated power is 900 kilowatts, maximum power is 1000 kilowatts. The engine comply with Euro Stage 3 emission standard. This is the inlet oil pipe. Two air filter elements surround the diesel pump. The longest one above is the oil return pipe. The middle one is the waster pipe. It is for discharging the waste oil. The top one is the air filter. The smoke exhaust port. Two starter motors. 4 oil filter elements. The cooling water tank. And is equipped with a brushless motor. This is the control module, which controls the entire generator.